This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Pennon Group PLC, the UK water and environmental services company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker PNN.L. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PNN.L to find Pennon Group PLC. Make sure you select the LSE listing so you pick the correct company share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information, recent news, and a price chart for Pennon Group PLC. Double-check the ticker PNN.L and the LSE exchange to confirm it is the right stock. To place a buy order, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review fees and order details, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the platform will schedule or notify you of a pending order. And if you do not have enough funds, it will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the link in the description for the eToro page if you want to explore the platform further.